Good morning, how are you doing? I hope you're doing well. Today it's the morning and we are at Bicester Village. What a shocker. What again? Yeah, I know. But it's my birthday week, so I thought, why not come here? It's 9 o'clock, so we're here bright and early, and there's literally not, can you see, not a soul in the car park. So that is good. Yesterday I did go to Wembley, which is London designer outlet, which is nothing like this at all. It's tiny, it's designer, but like high street basically, whereas this is a complete 180 on that. And as I was pulling up to the village, it started to snow, but it seems to have stopped now, so that's great. I think my car said it was 2 degrees, so that is why it's snowing, but I think it's stopped. But I'm gonna go into Bicester Village now, have a look around the shops, hopefully go Prada, Gucci, Burberry, Dior, and hopefully try some stuff on, because I did that last time and that was quite fun. So hopefully in Burberry I'll try some stuff on, because that's the one I'm most interested in out of those the four big ones, even though Dior's quite small. 3 big ones really. But yeah, let's go shopping around Bicester Village for spring summer basically now, even though it snowed. So literally no one is here. Can you see there's literally no one here? It's ridiculous. And it's like just gone 9. As you can see, no one here, and it's a little bit snowy at the moment. And I capture that in, well, what I thought was quite a lot of snow at that point. But then in the next clip, just outside Prada, it was literally like a blizzard. But we're in Prada now, looking at the shoes. They've got some nice trainers in there, like these ones, with like a Prada on the back that were 350. But these ones I'm going to show you next, these ones are, I thought they were really nice. I'm not going to buy them, but £350 for those. And then just a quick overview of Prada, because the sales associates were staring at me, and because I was literally the only one in there, and the bouncer literally said, "Go home, don't come in," jokingly. But next we're going into Burberry. Again, I was literally like the only one in there, and they didn't have any of their extra reduced sale section today, unfortunately. This was 975 for that P coat. Tell me he's broke, right? And then again, literally no one in here. I thought this like Harrington style jacket was really nice as well. And for Burberry prices, in terms of like Burberry, it's like old Burberry, but like in terms of Burberry prices, not too bad at 275. Next we're going to hit up Gucci. Stopped snowing now, thank the Lord. Again, not really much in Gucci that was new. This shirt was 120, which is quite good. Next into North Face, which if you watched my last video, which was the London outlet video, London designer outlet at Wembley, North Face here is much better at Bicester. There's a lot more stock. They've got this black puffer jacket, which isn't, it's 168 and it isn't quite the big puffer jacket. They didn't really have that in black, but they had it, the smaller puffers and then the really smaller puffers, if you get my drift on that. In this t-shirt, which is obviously my favourite colour, and we've got like, it's very visual merchandising pleasing, the way they've set up the colour palettes. Again, this is my favourite colour, £34 for the half zip fleece of that. They've got just some like windbreaker kind of stuff. T-shirts, which teal and that colour actually work quite well together. Who knew? Like acid green. And then they've got windbreaker like raincoats in that colour as well. Next we're going into Coach, kind of snowing again. The men's section in Coach isn't that big, to be honest. They've got some wallets here for 79, I believe I said. And different bags and shoes. They've got some quite nice small bags over here, which I don't think all of those would be that price, but that small one is really nice. Not so on the C monogram, like Coach monogram, but there we go, that it was in Coach. So I'm back in the car now, obviously. My hair, it's crazy. It's now sunny now. It was literally really heavily snowing. Not settling though. I say heavily, you know, heavily for the UK, or England anyway, south of England. And It's quite cold today. It is actually quite cold today, but I am back in the car. I'm going to go home now, and it wasn't very successful today, and I wasn't really on the lookout for anything anyway, so I wasn't like, there was a t-shirt in Levi's which I liked, but I've got enough t-shirts, I didn't need it, and I just bought one thing which I'm going to show you in this video. I'm not obviously going to do another haul, like a separate video for this, so I'm going to go well, actually I'm going to go to Milton Keynes now because I want to go buy something in Milton Keynes, and then I'm going to go home and we'll film the haul and my final thoughts of this video at the end. It's a very little haul, and I didn't even go in my usual haunts of rituals and stuff. And actually New Balance had some trainers, but they were like a yellow and blue, and I wasn't really feeling that. They were £35. I didn't show them because every shop, it's like 10 something now, I'm not sure, like 10:15, 10:30, and there's still no one here. Probably because it's like a Thursday today. But yeah, nothing. There wasn't really any exceptional deals, and yeah, so I'm gonna go home now and show you what I've got. So I am home from Bicester now, and I am just filming on the front of my iPhone because I couldn't be bothered to get out my big camera today. But I am going to do a little haul because I only got one thing, and it is from here, which is Stella Mccartney Kids. I literally didn't buy anything else, which is good because I just bought an iPad, a new one, because my one was 10 years old, even though I turned it on the other day and it still works, but it's only 16 gigabytes, so it literally won't store anything. But anyway, I went to Stella McCartney Kids because they do good children's wear, and it comes in this really nice bag with like rope. I have bought something from them in the past, which I'll leave the video to up at the top, and you can see that. I bought something for my niece in there, and I bought something in there today from my niece as well. Oh, the receipt is in here. Oh, she didn't do this last time. It's come in like a little sleeve, I suppose. And how much were we? We were, I think it's because she couldn't find a stapler. It was £12.50, so I'm just going to put the receipt back in this little receipt sleeve. Don't know, I'm just going to put that there. It comes, oh, well, what's the point in that? I think the person was new, because she's like put it in the tissue paper, which is great, and then put stickers on, but the sticker isn't on anything. You literally open it like that. And I got this, which was £12.50 originally. Does that say 58 or 68? Cannot see. It's sustainable cotton. Let me just tuck this in there. I got this in a 2 years or 24 months. Oh, it's got poppers on the side, I didn't see that. And it just says, "You are my sunshine," which I thought was quite nice. They really didn't have that much selection though. And it's got poppers on the side, which will make it easier to get in and out of, I'm guessing. I don't know. Let me just do those up. But yeah, oh, there is a fat label. Is there? What is that then? Oh, that's interesting. The label is like in a sleeve, if you can see. It comes out. He says it comes out of here, and then it has like the washing and stuff information on, but it comes in like a sleeve, which I suppose is really nice for the kids, because then you don't have, God, am I even going to be able to put this back in? But I suppose that's nice, because then it's not annoying on their skin, is it? Which I've never seen before on any clothing, let alone, well, on no clothing. I wish they did that on adults' clothing. Maybe designer brands do, and I just don't know about it. Or maybe all Stella McCartney stuff does, because that's quite nice. And then at the top, actually, it's just printed on there. It's not a label, so there's no labels on show, which is lovely. So yeah, oh, that was £12.50. I'm just going to fold it back in here. I didn't notice that on the other item I bought from them fairly recently. Yeah. So yeah, not a very successful trip to Bicester, although I was really not looking to buy anything anyway. So that was a good trip because I didn't buy anything. So there is that. And yeah, I bought that for my niece, obviously. But yeah, I am going to, and I didn't really get to film in a lot of places because everywhere was just super quiet. It was just like me and the sales assistant, and I wasn't comfortable being just like putting my camera around. If there was more people, then yes. So it is really good if you want to go early. It was a Thursday I went, go early, and then you can, there's literally no one there, and you can go around at your leisure. But if you're filming something, then don't do that because they'll probably think, what are you doing? So yes, I did go in a few places and nearly bought some stuff in there, but decided against it. So yeah, I think I will be filming another video doing a comparison of Bicester and London Designer Outlet for people who don't know and they might be going to London Designer Outlet thinking it's going to be really good. So I might do another video showing that. But other than that, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Let me know if you've been to a outlet centre recently, and let me know what you've bought in the comments below. And if you're not already, please take the moment to subscribe. We're nearly at 2,000, so it'd be great if we could get there. But other than that, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.